Hello, fellow traders. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, this strategy is designed to boost your trading performance across Forex, gold, crypto, stocks, and more. Stick around, because what you'll learn here could revolutionize your approach to scalping. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's kick things off by setting up our indicators. We've tested the sniper entry strategy, and the results are promising. So fire up TradingView, and let's get started. First, go to the Search Indicator tab and type Follow Line Indicator. Got it? Great. Now, select the Follow Line Indicator by Dread Blitz. In the Settings tab, leave the input at default. Head over to the Style tab and follow along with me to adjust the settings. Ready? Hit OK to confirm. What does the Follow Line Indicator do? When it's green, the market is bullish. Focus on buying. When it's red, the market is bearish. Time to sell. Step 2. Adding the Sniper Stochastics Indicator. Now, let's add another powerful tool to our arsenal. Go back to the Search Indicator tab and type Sniper Stochastics. Select the Sniper Stochastics by Spread Eagle. In the Settings tab, leave the input at default again. Move to the Style tab and uncheck Background. Feel free to set your preferred plot colors. Once done, click OK. How does the Sniper Stochastics work? It combines 3 stochastics to pinpoint overbought and oversold conditions. When all 3 signal lines hit the oversold zone, we look for a buy opportunity. When they're in the overbought zone, we look to sell. Step 3. Executing your trades. How to place a buy order. Wait for the Sniper Stochastics lines to enter the oversold area. Watch until they exit the oversold area. Confirm that the Follow Line Indicator switches from red to green. This signals a bullish trend. Check for a bullish candlestick to close. Place your buy order. Set your stop loss at the last swing low, and target a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. Wait for the Sniper Stochastics lines to enter the overbought area. Watch until they exit the overbought area. Confirm that the Follow Line Indicator switches from green to red. This signals a bearish trend. Check for a bearish candlestick to close. Place your sell order. Set your stop loss at the last swing high and target a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Key points 2. Remember, use Sniper Stochastics for overbought, oversold signals. Confirm with the Follow Line Indicator and candlestick color. Stick to your risk-to-reward ratio. That's a wrap, traders. Remember, no strategy is foolproof, so always practice sound money management and trading psychology. Enjoyed the video? Drop a comment, share your results, and don't forget to subscribe for more trading insights. See you in the next one.